Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today that is about differential equation. So now I want to show you how to answer. I will put the theta, tan theta go to the right. Next, we need to put the integration for the both sides. Now, we need to consider about this one. So we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to a squared minus r squared. So we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have the u equals to negative number 2r dr. Because we don't have negative number 2, so we need to divide both sides by negative number 2. So this one will change by u. R dr will change by this one. So the integration of this one, we have negative 1 over 2 Fn of the absolute value of u. And I will put about c. About u, that is about this one. And then I will put about c in here. About this one, we can put into sine theta over cosine theta in here. And this one, we can put cosine theta go to numerator. Next, we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals sine theta. Later that we do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have the u equal to cosine theta d theta. So this one will change by u. This one will change by du. So the integration of this one, we have Fn of the absolute value of u. And I will put about c. About u, that is about sine theta. And now we go back in here. The integration of this one, that is about this one. The integration of this one, that is about this one. Now we have the condition. So we put r equal to number 0 gone here, and b over 4 gone here. And now we can find the value of c. So this one we can put like this, and this one I will put on the left. So I will put the value of this one gone here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.